It's a beautiful day in the cat shed with Mrs. Walter. And we have the normal crew. I think everybody's here. I don't see Callie. Oh, there she is. So you got 4 black and white. Mrs. Walter, Callie, 3 orange. Yeah, that's everybody. That's the full regiment. So on the left bowl here we have Huey, Mango, hi Mango, orange guys in the back. And then you have McFlurry, Oreo, Peaches, and Dewey. Callie's in the back. Mrs. Walter's right here. As everybody was running in, she was swatting at them. She's so great. So, happy Catterday. It's actually Sunday morning. Actually, happy Sunday morning. And here comes Oreo. Hey, buddy.